Hello and welcome to my video lecture on modeling dates. Probably one of the most basic things that you have to do when you're designing a data warehouse is to determine the date structure that you're going to use. All of your fact tables, and I mean all of your fact tables in a data warehouse or an operational data store, need to have a date dimension. Alright, so for every record you put into all of your fact tables, there should be some kind of date attribute. So when we look at our date dimension table, you can see from this example how complex this can get. We've got our date key, which is our primary key, then we've got our full date, what day of the week is this, what number in the month, what number overall. And what does that overall number mean? Is that overall in the year? Are we talking about using some kind of Julian calendar or something like that? The week number in the year, the week number overall, what month is this? What month number overall? Quarter? You can see how this gets broken down significantly. Now, the other part of this, as you can see at the end, well, first of all, when we talk about the date key, if we're an international organization, that date key needs to have an international component. So for instance, that particular date for any particular company country might mean that there's a holiday going on in that country. Which might be something that you have to take into consideration in your reporting. In other words, how come we had such great sales on a particular day in December in Canada? And that's because it was Boxing Day, something along those lines. The other part of it is you may have an event key. So if you look at the bottom, there is an event key, foreign key, and then we could have an event table that's out there that lets us know. And that might be how we keep track of holidays and other significant issues associated with dates. 9/11 would be definitely a date you want to keep track of in your event table. Things of that nature, elections, things like that. So when you're talking about modeling your dates, it's a very, very significant undertaking. This is a fairly simple model of what a date dimension might look like and the complexities associated with the date dimension. So that is the end of my video lecture on modeling dates.